In this video we are talking about if Kaspa continues the move to the downside or if we see an explosion to the upside again. As you can see, after we saw this massive bullish explosion from Kaspa, we now saw this bearish move to lower levels since 1 month, and now we are in a very interesting area. Because in the last video we were at this prices right here, and I said that after an all-time high it is normal to see a larger retracement to the downside, and I said that the chance is very high that we can come into this order block again when we are not exploding directly to the upside. I will show you another clip from the last video. The chance is high that we see even higher prices for Kaspa. But right now it would be a bit risky to invest in Kaspa because we are now at the all-time highs. So I would wait if we are coming to the downside again, because after this massive run it's normal that we are seeing a retracement. And if we are seeing the retracement and see a bullish consolidation right here, then I would buy some more Kaspa coins for my HODL portfolio. Especially if we are coming down to this area right here. So if we are coming back to this area right here and we don't see a body close under this area, then I would buy some coins for my HODL portfolio and HODL it to the next bull run. And as you can see, we saw this larger retracement now to the downside, and we came again into this order block. And today we came into this order block and directly saw the rejection to the upside. And I think the chances are high that we can see now higher prices again, because from this order block we saw this bullish move to the upside. So here was the beginning of this massive explosion. So the chances high that we now see a bullish reaction right here. And in the last days we saw this bearish trend to the downside. So now I would be careful because this is the first time we came into this order block. So the chances there that we see even lower prices. So I could imagine that we see a bearish trend like this. But if we are making a higher high on the 4-hourly or 1-hourly chart, then I think the chances high that the trend can continue to the upside again. So if we are breaking this last 1-hourly high to the upside with a bullish momentum, then I think the chances high that we can see even higher prices again, because this high caused this break of structure and lower low. So if we are breaking this one to the upside again, we are on a bullish order flow on the 1-hourly time frame again. And for the long term, I'm very bullish on Kaspa. So right now, I think the chances high that we can see a very nice point to enter the market again, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside. Because when Bitcoin is going to the upside, the chance that altcoins like Kaspa are also going to the upside is very high. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Kaspa, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. But if we are not seeing a bullish reaction right here, then I would wait if we see a bullish reaction even lower at this order block. And if we are breaking this order block to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chances high that we see even lower prices for Kaspa. But as long as we don't break this order block to the downside, then I think the chances high that we can see higher prices for Kaspa in the mid and long term. But if anything interesting happens for Kaspa, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Kaspa. So all in all, we saw this crazy bullish explosion from Kaspa. And in the last video, I said that the chances high that we can see a retracement. And as you can see, we saw this retracement again into this order block. And right now, I think the chances high that we can continue our bullish overall trend to the upside if we see a bullish reaction here on the smaller time frames. But if we're not seeing a bullish turn on the smaller time frame, then I would wait for my long positions. And if we're breaking this order block to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chances is high that we see even lower prices. But as long as we don't break this order block to the downside, I think the chances is higher that we will see higher prices again for Kaspa. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.